welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening my Boxy charm for you guys. I am wearing a wig. I know it probably looks a little crazy because it's different, but I felt like looking different today for some reason. So here we are, chilling in a wig. Thought the braids would be like a little cute idea. Who knows? I don't know. I think so. But yeah, let's get in to this box. It is Valentine's Day when I'm filming this. I don't know if this is gonna go like the next day or the next day. But I have like this cute little heart choker necklace thing on. And I was like, oh, having pink hair would be cute today. So here we are. Okay. So that is this. The first thing I already see is Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. Yvonne Skin X Aurora is the brand. So that's that. Where's my little price thing? I don't have a price thing. I don't know how much everything is. What? Okay, well. We got some makeup wipes. That's kind of weird that I don't have a little price card. I'm a little annoyed by that, but that's okay. We have some First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. Helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten. I love these because I don't really love washing my face like a normal person. So that's definitely like the easy way to clean your face off if you want to. Not have to wash it all the time. Because yeah, let's be real here, your girl. I don't like to wash my face all the time. It's so much work. Sometimes it's just so not my idea of fun. So yeah, these are bomb. I have no idea how much any of this stuff is. I'm so sorry. I would totally tell you if I knew. I don't know why I don't have a card. I've never had that happen where I don't have a card. Okay, so from Ciate London, Everyday Vacay. This is coconut setting powder. Oh, it's probably gonna smell like coconut. Ugh. I am like the only person on the planet I think that doesn't like coconut. I don't like the smell of it. It's alright, I guess. But I don't like the taste of it for sure. But the smell of it isn't my favorite either. But I will definitely use this because let's be real here, you can actually never have too much setting powder. Yeah, so it's a nice like white. Let's open it so I can smell it and tell you if it smells like a coconut. I'm gonna guess yes, or why would you even call it that? Or maybe just because it's white, I don't really know. I don't really know. Ooh. Yep, it really smells like coconut, like strong coconut. So if you're like a coconut lover, this would probably be like your favorite setting powder if it works really well. I'm sure it does. I'm gonna smell like a dang coconut when I use this, so that should be interesting. The next thing I see is brushes. My favorite thing to get in anything. Like, no matter how many brushes you get, you can never have enough brushes. I swear that is a thing. And they're so nice. Like, look at those babies. They're so beautiful. Look at that. I like these. Let's feel them. And they're really nice quality. They're so soft. Oh, I can't wait to use these. And then the last thing in here is this Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I got to kind of pick my color. They already, like, a lot of the colors are already taken, so I'm really hoping this isn't too yellow for me or dark. But it's a good sized foundation. Hopefully you're not too yellow, or I'm gonna look like I have some weird ass skin disease. But this was the lightest one I could pick with, I think it had no undertones supposedly. But let's be real, most foundations have a yellow undertone and I am pink. And it's such a pain to find foundation. If you're like pale with a pink undertone, you totally know what I'm saying. But if not, then you don't. But that's okay. Like my chest and my shoulders, they tan sometimes, sort of ish. They like burn and then kind of tan. Because they're like the only thing on my body that really sees the light of day, usually. So everything else on me is like dead white. Like my neck, my face, everything is so pale. So it's kind of interesting how it all works, but yeah. Anyways, okay, so we got a foundation, a setting powder, some super nice brushes. We didn't get a palette this time. I feel like I almost always get a palette, even if it's small. We got cleansing facial wipes and makeup removing wipes is what I'm guessing these are. I don't know, but that's what I'm gonna use these for. So that is everything I got this month. I have no clue what this box retails for, so I'm really sorry. But yeah, so I'm guessing it's over $100 something because it usually is. I can guarantee that foundation is at least $40 to $50, so that alone makes it more than the box is worth. And then the brushes are probably like, what, 35 or 40? That's like a pretty average amount for a little brush set. And then the powder is probably like 20. The facial pads are probably like 15 to 20. And then the makeup wipes are probably like 10 or 15 or something. But that is everything I got. Who knows what the price is? I'm so sorry I can't do my cute little... This piece of hair is driving me insane. Hide yourself. I can't do my cute little speeded up voice with like the chipmunk sound adding it up this time. I'm sorry. I have no clue why I don't have that. I wonder if anyone else didn't get their card. I'm gonna have to watch some YouTube videos and see what's up. Or I could watch them and see how much my box is valued at if they do that whole adding it up thing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry if I look weird, but I wanted to just look a little different today. So that's why we're here. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!